I've been with the North Carolina Zoo for 15 years. Gardens should always have some kind of concept, notion, or premeditated thought behind them before starting. That's very important. And always remember the basic needs of all plants, which is light, water, food, air, space, and optimum temperatures. If you can achieve all of those, your garden will turn out just fine. Yes, we maintain several browse gardens all throughout the zoo. We also maintain a vegetable garden. Browse is just basically plants grown for the animals that help supplement their regular diets. And zookeepers and the hort department work together to feed these plants out to the animals on a daily basis. A degree in horticulture is preferred, but a background in botany, biology, zoology, turfgrass management, any of those will be beneficial in gaining employment here at the North Carolina Zoo. Zoo horticulture encompasses activities that range from exhibit and landscape design to development and installation to managing plant material within habitats and visitor areas. But zoo horticulture is not about keeping pristine plants. Our idea of a Better Homes and Garden magazine is never going to become a reality, but we strive for it so that it is special for the split second that it may occur. All native plants are important. When using native plant species, you're going to require less fertilizer, less pesticide use, less watering. It also provides a lot of great shelter for our native wildlife and also supports all the pollinators. I hope not, unless one of our Venus flytraps gets really, really large and becomes a problem here at the park, but I don't see that happening. We have actually already started growing out some of the plants for Asia. It's a very, very large landscape. We've started out by growing out our grasses and perennials, but the entire landscape design and plant palette has been selected and is ready to go and be installed as soon as Asia breaks ground. We care for several rare plant species here at the North Carolina Zoo. The most important to me is the Rus Machoii. The Rus Machoii is also known as false poison sumac, but it is in the cashew family and is endemic to Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, and Georgia, and it is federally listed as endangered in the United States. Yes, our job is to create living pictures of wild places around the zoo and in these habitats so that our guests may learn to care and respect the plants and then transfer that care to action in the conservation of biological diversity. Yes, we do use compost inside our habitats. We go through rigorous testing before it's used inside of our habitats, but we do use that to help supplement not only the turf conditions in the habitat, but also the landscape. I would have to say the challenging part of my job is probably the most rewarding. Trying to keep all of our plant collections and grounds looking natural and fresh, keeping habitats looking natural and fresh, and creating that environment for the animal